we on it. This is a live trade. Take a look at this. This is a live trade. This is a live trade. We took this trade on USDJPY. You take a look at this USDJPY. I'm on a buy. You can see, but the buy is not really moving quick. But let's see. You understand? I'm on a buy. You understand? So what made me took this buy is what made me took this buy. If you take a look at the daily time frame, you can see the market is already moving up here. You can see this first touch, second touch, and third touch. This is the third touch of the market. Understand? Let me go to 4 hours time frame. If you go to 4 hour time frame, you can see this first candle. This first candle, bullish candle. You can see. Let me zoom. You can see this first candlestick. Understand? He gave us that yes, the buyers are now in the market. Understand? The buyers are now in the market. No more selling. Understand all that stuff. No more selling. No more selling. The buyers are now in the market. So if you go to 1 hour time frame, you can see I have my trend line. All the way from here. Take a look at first touch, this second touch, this third touch. In the market can always do many touches. You understand? The market can do many touches that you want. If the market wants to do like 7 touches, 6 touches, the market can do. Especially USDJPY, the market can do as much as touches as it can do. Understand? So this first touch, this second touch, this third, this fourth, this fifth. See, this is a 6th touch. Understand? I know that the market is still gonna go up. With my analysis, I don't control the market. Understand? But with my analysis, I know like okay, there is possibilities the market might go up. You understand? So take a look at this trade now. You can see this is on a 1 hour time frame. I'm just the 1 hour time frame. Let's go to 30 minutes time frame. You can see clearly where now. You can see the market gave us this. You can see it's now moving up. I'm just targeting here 80 pips. I just want 80 pips and I'm done. You understand? No greedy in the market. You understand? I think the market is gonna still touch here, but at the end of the day, let's get this 80 pips and stay at the market. You understand? So this is what market normally do. You understand? So once you pay attention to the market, make sure that you're risking. Make sure you're risking a good amount of money. I'm on the risk now. I'm risking 2K on this trade. I'm risking, but we up like 200. You can see we up 200 and something, but I'm risking 2K. Understand? I'm on the trade. This is a live trade. I'm on a live trade. Understand? So let's see where the market goes. Understand? So let me show you the analysis we have. This, see how you can analyze the market. You go to daily time frame. I've marked out all this bar. If you go to daily frame, you can see the market is going up. On a daily time frame, you can see if you shrink the chart, you can see the market is on the bullish market on the daily time frame. You can see it's on the bullish market. So there's possibilities you can buy and sell at the same time. Like you can buy and still sell and make profit. Understand? But at the end of the day, we're looking for buys. You understand? Buyers, like people that have more money to invest in the market. That means buyers to buy. That's what we want to join them. We don't want to go against them. You understand? Never go against the market. Just go with the market. Just run with the market. You understand? Never go against it. You understand? So if you go to the 4 hour time frame, you can see we have already have this bull run. Like you can see, this is a bull run, and the market tanked. The market started tanking over here. You can see this 2024 July. The market started tanking. By this time last year, the market was tanking. You understand? Let's see if the market is going to tank as well. But I don't think the market is going to tank as well. Just let's see what the market is going to do. You understand? So this, I'm just explaining the chart now. So on the 4 hour time frame, you can see the market is just dropping. It dropped. On October, on September 2024, it started going back up. January this year, it started dropping again. Understand? So it started dropping again. April, May, June. I think like this June is still gonna go up back up. You understand what I mean? Like it's gonna go up back up is if you're trading, right? If you're trading and you seen the market. If you're trading and you seen the market go up, just wait for a pull down before you buy. In this kind of market now, don't just go straight buying. Just don't go straight buying. Understand? Just if you see the market going up, wait for a pullback. Understand? Like here now, can see, let me show you guys on the 15 minutes time frame. This is where I take my entry. You can see on the 15-minute time frame, take a look at this trade. You can see this market is not a real market that you go start buying, understand? Make sure, see this market, you give me this retest. You can see one here, this was the last touch we had, understand? This is the last touch, and see what he gave me there. He gave me this touch. He found these consecutive candles that was like string candles. The candle is not really good, understand? But he gave me this candle that like the week, you have multiple weeks, understand? And see what you listen. Just listen to this. I'm gonna tell you. Listen to this. He gave us a retest. Then let me mark it out now. The market touched here. It dropped from here. He gave us a W pattern. This was like a W pattern, like a W win. Understand? A win pattern. You can see the market. If you entered here, the market could have pulled back. That's why you have to wait for the market to pull back before you enter. You understand? Okay, let's see. I waited for the market to pull back. I know the market is going to pull back, and you see, he gave us a retest. Now it's shooting back up. Understand? When the market reached here, when the market touched here, some people will be selling. You understand? If you sell, the market is going to drop you out. You understand? Let's see, the market gave us a retest. You can see, pian, give a retest, and it's now it's about to go up. You understand? Make sure you know the market structure. You understand? We can't control the market. You understand? We can't control the market, but at the end of the day, you can see where the market is really going to. You understand? The market, I think the market is still going to go head up to this level, this 144.997. I think it's going to be our take profit target. Understand? But let's see where the market is going to. Understand? So I'm going to tell you guys, if you really want to start trading, understand, make sure you following your rules. Understand? I will tell you, following your rules, risk management, all this thing is going to help you. Understand? See how I'm making some profit. Understand? Like we up almost on our FTMO. On our FTMO, you can see. You see on our FTMO. If you can see on our FTMO. You can see on our FTMO. I don't know if you can see on our FTMO. So we up 505 on our FTMO, understand? That's how really trading works, understand? So never give up. Trading is real, understand? Trading is real. On GBP as well, you can see the market is still going up on GBP as well. So GBPJPY. So always know when the market is going up, and always know when the market is going down. You understand? Just make sure you target. Let's see this market now. Well, okay, if you go to GBPJPY, the market is doing the same thing. The market is going to do the same thing. You can see GBPJPY, the market, GBPJPY, the market is going to do the same thing. I've never done my analysis here, you understand? My analysis, but always remember GBPJPY and USDJPY, they do the same thing. Like not the most times, you understand? But in certain trade, you understand, they move the same, because JPY, you understand, JPY moves, is a volatile market, you understand? So this USDJPY now, you can see, is doing the same thing. He gave us a retest on this, you get this on the support, and we're shooting back up, you understand? This is how you understand trading, you understand? And this trade now, I was risking 2K on this trade, you understand? I was risking 2K on this trade. Let's see if we're gonna make like 4K or 5K on this trade, you understand? Let me pass I'm on my FTMO. This is my FTMO account, you understand? So I'm grinding on my FTMO. I just really want to get funded, you understand? If you're watching this video, you want to get funded as well, I'm telling you now, you can get funded, bro. You can get funded, you understand? So make sure you're making everything right, you understand? So for today, the market is just going up, you understand? So we did 1 hour. So if you take a look at this on 1 hour time frame, you can see if the market goes up, you understand, make sure that you wait for the market to pull back. Don't rush the market, because let me tell you guys something, because I've made this mistake multiple times. Let me show you. Let's say the market is going up like this, let me tell you something. Don't buy. You understand? Never buy now. You understand? Never buy. Same when you buy. If you see the market is going like this, If the market, let's say the market left you, let's say you put like the market just left you behind, the market moved before you, see what it's going to do. If the market, let's say the market is moving up, it's moving up this way, never chase. Allow the market to pull back to half of this level. Half of this level, make sure the market pulls back half of this level before you buy. Or make sure the market retests here to the equal level before you buy. If you are on a bullish market, if you are buying, you understand. But if you are selling, right? If you are selling, make sure the market is doing this. If you want to sell, if the market is doing this, make sure the market pulls back up before you short or before you sell. Understand? Don't join the market going down, because the market always pull back. It pulls back, it pulls up. Let's say if the market is going up, the market always pulls up. Let's say the market is going up, it pulls down before you take off. Understand? The market pulls off. Let's say if the market is going up, right? It's not going to go up to the sky. No, the market doesn't work like that. The market, you have to retest some levels. The market is going to retest some levels. Understand? Let's say a level of 150, the market is going to touch the level, maybe retest there before shooting back up. The market is not going to fly like a jet or like a plane. No, market always retests there and it take off. You understand? So, and two, let me tell you guys, never rush a trade. Let me tell you, never chase a trade, bro. If you are chasing a trade, that means you're losing. The market is going to humble you all the time. So make sure you never chase a trade. You understand? Make sure if let's say you're trading, right, and you miss a move, bro. If you miss a move, my brother, bro, don't chase. If you miss a move, don't chase. You know why I say you should not chase? Imagine if you chase the market and the market goes against you, bro, you will lose and you will cry, because what? You didn't follow your rules. You was trading because you wanted to trade. All this stuff, it doesn't work like that. Understand? I'm in the library right now. You can see I'm in the library. I'm in the library just teaching you guys. Understand? I'm in the library. Take a look at this. You can see I'm in the library. I'm only here doing this. I just dedicated my time to teach you guys this thing. Maybe this thing might help someone. You understand? So let me tell you, in this trade now. Okay, so then let me explain again what made me took this trade. Listen attentively. If you go to the monthly time frame, right, you can see the market is on a bullish run. Let me explain again. The market is on a bullish run. For people seeing this for the first time, this is a live market. This is a live analysis. I'm on a trade, understand? I'm on a trade. This is not a fake move. I'm on a funded account. You can see this is not a fake move. You can see this is not a fake move, you understand? I'm up 800 and something, you understand? So if you go to monthly time frame, right? If you go to monthly time frame, it means that the market is going up. You can see the market is on the bullish market. The market is on the bullish run, you understand? My chart might be messy because I've already did some of my analysis, you understand? But let me show you guys. On the weekly time frame, you can see pretty well the market is on the bullish run as well. You can see it's on the run as well. You can see the market is on the run as well. Understand? The market is running as well. Understand? So this is something that you need to do when you, let's say, on the bullish market, right? On the bullish market, I just want to show my face properly. My face is not showing properly, but yeah. I think I can see myself pretty well now. Oh, it's not really showing. My laptop is crazy. I will get another one this month, you understand? So on the weekly time frame, you can see on the weekly time frame, right, the market is going up. Just pay attention. Make sure you're paying attention. The market is going up, giving us this big long move, you understand? Let's go to daily time frame. If you go to daily time frame, right, you can see a bullish run. The market was bullish. You can see the market is USDJPY. The market is on the run, bullish run. But here the market dropped. You can see the market dropped here in July 2024. Last year the market dropped. The market dropped so much, and it made all the investors scared. Everybody was taking out their money. That was happening here. was an economic downfall, like Joe Biden. He said something, or the market crashed. Understand? Market crash all the time. Understand? So he gave us this. It dropped massively. September 17, it started taking off. It started building momentum to the backside. January 25th, January, it started dropping as well. April, it started consolidating. You can see the market is going up, or it's going down. It's going up. So this July, you understand, because this is 31st of this, because this is 30th of June, you understand. The month ends today, you understand. So this is 30th of June, you understand. The market is about to start moving up, understand. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. If you can see this trend line I've been marking out here, you can see this trend line. Okay, let's go to daily time frame. Let me show you about trend line. You can see, if you're doing it, make sure your trend line must touch. You touch there, you can call as many touches. The market does many touches in the market. Like the market always touches. Let's say if you're drawing trend line, this trend line. Let's say you're trend line like this. Let's say the market is gonna do this. The market might touch here, go up, touch here. The market might go up, touch here, go up, touch here, come down, come. Understand? This is how the market really works. The market goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down. Understand? So this is how the market really works. So after that, you mark out your trend line. Make sure your trend line touches here. This first touch, this second touch. Counter trend line, this first touch, this second touch, this third touch, this fourth touch. It retested over there, it dropped. This is where the market dropped. You can see I had the inner trend line inside, but the market dropped. You can see it dropped over there, and see it gave us an M pattern. It's still dropping. This on the daily time frame. I'm just telling you from the daily time frame. Let's go to 4 hours time frame, right? If you go on the 4 hours time frame, you can see the market touched here. It gave us 1, 2, 3, 4. It gave us a retest and it started dropping. I'm telling you guys, because of I'm a trend line trader. I used to trade with trend line. I don't go against the market. I trade with trend line. Understand? So let's see. So you can see, for sellers, I thought the market is going to go buy a sell, because I see the market structure. I was still going down. Understand? But look at this market over here. I mark up my trend line. This first touch and this second touch. Understand? The counter trend line, we have first touch here, we have second touch, we have third touch, we have fourth touch, we have this big retest. The market went up over here. Let's go to 1 hour time frame as well. If you go to 1 hour time frame, you can see, let's move the market. You can see 1 hour time frame. The market is already touching here. Understand? It's just once you backtest, you understand? Once you backtest this strategy, once you backtest, you understand? Once you backtest, you're gonna understand what I'm telling you. It might not make sense to you now, but once you watch the video twice or thrice a day or something like that, watch my video and see how the works, like how it works. You're gonna see that everything I'm telling you is true. I'm just telling you everything I know about trading. I'm not really up there, but I'm just give this kind of motivation to me. You understand? I used to motivate a lot. You understand? So for people not to give up on trading, it works. You understand? It works. So let's see. And you can see this bullish run. This bullish run happened when happened on 12th May when what's it called? Trump said something, and it happened. So you can see his first touch. If you take a look at this, now this first touch, this second touch, this third touch. Understand? This third touch. If you have, we can add another one here. We can still add another one here. You can still add another one here. It's the first touch. You can see. Once the market touches there, it reacts. You understand? When you say one, it touches here, you can see it touches there, it went up. It touches here again, it went up. It touched there, it went up. You understand? This is how trading works. Trend line. If you're following a trend, that's why you have trend line. If you're following a trend, always make sure the market touches the the line before you react. You understand? Make sure the market touches the line before you react. So look at this now. You can see this one over here. You can see. I know you guys can see it now pretty well. You can see now. You can see. He gave us this. First touch, second touch. This was a retest, but this retest was not formally formed. Understand? The retest was not formally formed. Let me just take off my hat because you can see me pretty well. The retest, it didn't touch very well. You understand? It didn't touch very well, and he made us realize that in trading you have to wait for a market to come to you. You understand? He went off here, he came down here, he went up again, he came down here. You can see the market is still going up. It's about to go up here, and it came down. Being today being Monday, you see the market gave us this retest over here. He retested on this support and resistance level, and it's now shooting up. This is how you identify the market trend. So this one now, on the 30 minutes, look at the 30 minutes. On the 30 minutes means you can see we're going up here, right? You can see now the market gave us this. It retested over here, it dropped. It gave us a double pattern. I have explained this. It gave us a double pattern, right? After double pattern, we like, oh, okay, the market is about to go up. You understand? We up 1,000 now. You can see this is way up 1,000. Understand? So this is how your trading works. This is how trading works. Understand? So never give up in this trading. Understand? Trading is gonna work for us. Understand? So this is now. After this now, I remember the market gave us this W pattern. It retested over here, and now we're buying it from here. Understand? This is a live market. I'm not backtesting. This is a live market. Understand? This is a live chart. You can see the numbers are moving here. People might say, "Oh, you backtest?" No, I'm not backtesting. I'm in a trade right now. You understand? So let's move. Let's keep going. And here on the 15 minutes time frame, I normally take my trade on the 15 minutes time frame. You understand? You can see now the market gave us this. Okay, this blue line. Let me tell you, this blue line means the high and low of the week. Understand? At the highest level, the market have already touched to, and the lowest it will touch to. If you look at this blue line, this is the lowest the market have touched to. Understand? This is the highest the market have touched to. As far as today, understand, being open of the market open today. Understand? So this is the first high low. This is the first high, and this is the lower low of the market. Understand? So yeah, we are the lower low. We waiting for market to break outside. You can see the market broke outside. It gave us this W pattern, and it's now giving up. It is not only the market didn't even give us a multiple opportunities. It gave us big multiple opportunities because of what? The market, it gave us this. Even if you let's say, even if here now you miss this opportunity, right? If you miss this opportunity, don't panic. You understand? Never panic, because the market gave us this retest. You can see the market gave us this retest, and it's not going up. This is how trading works. Trading is going to give you opportunity. Waiting for trading is like waiting for bus. If you're in the bus stop, if you miss the first bus, you're never going to miss the second one. If you miss the second one, the third one is there. There are always opportunity. If there is no opportunity for today, there's always opportunity tomorrow, because the market is 24 hours every day. You understand? If there is no opportunity today, don't stress. You understand? I'm telling you, this is the psychology part of trading. Don't stress. Don't rush the market. The market is still going to go back up. Understand? Tomorrow it might be a sell. Tomorrow it might be a buy. Understand? So never stress about the market. Understand? Make sure your risk is tight. Once your risk is tight, make sure that you're risking minimum. Make sure you're not risking too much. Understand? So that you won't burn out. Because if the market goes against you, you're gonna make a lot of money. If the market goes against you, you're gonna lose. So that's why make sure determine your risk. Understand? On this trade now, I'm risking 30 pips, and I'm risking 30 pips on this trade, and my TP is 80. That means I'm targeting 2.6 risk to reward. Understand? I'm risking 30, and I'm targeting 80. So it's not that bad. Understand? Remember, you can't make 1,000 pip in a day. So always take as much as you can and just move on. Understand? This is how it works. So let me guys know what you guys think in the comment section. Understand? Let's see. If you guys love the video, I'll keep uploading this kind of video, but let's see what the market. I'm gonna still post the, if I win this trade, I'm gonna make it a short YouTube video and post it on my YouTube channel so you guys can see that this is a real account we're trading on. You understand? So I want to see that. Just let me guys know. You guys should let me know what you guys think on the comment section so that we can see how it works. You understand? Peace out.